What's up, guys? It's Kyle the Man. Back to another episode. We are going to be reviewing a fidget spinner. I just got this in the mail, literally 10 minutes ago. So I bought this for $2 off of Geek, the app, and we'll see how good it is. So let's get right into it. Oh, that came right off. Well, that feels good, actually. So it spins pretty well for $2. We are going to do a spin test in a second against this white one. This one makes a lot more noise than this one. And then this one. See that one? That one makes way more noise.
What is up with that one? Oh, that one beat it that time. Alright, get to do a really good spin on both of them. Black one.